coverage of Interop is brought to you by HP Networking. Change the rules to enable the cloud. Also brought to you by Citrix and GoToMeeting. Go over to GoToMeeting.com, click the Try It Free Now button, and enter in the word podcast for a 30-day free trial. And also Telestream and Wirecast. Produce your show straight from your computer right to the internet with Wirecast. Geekazine is a proud member of the TechPodcast.com network. If it's tech, it's here. Continuing coverage of Interop, Jeffrey Powers with Geekazine and the Tech Podcast Network. We're here with Getty, and we got a really interesting company here, and you guys make motherboards.
We develop reference evaluation kits, we do application boards, and we also design ASICs. And these are very high-end, cutting-edge solutions for digital and networking communication solutions. We are in wired as well as wireless markets, and we provide very cutting-edge applications into the board. We are also in developing a firmware and bring-up software and system software. So it's a turnkey solution from beginning to the end.
Name of the company is called Comit Systems, right?
Comit Systems. We have been around here 20 years in Santa Clara, and we are still a growth company, and we are going great with our tier 1 partners, tier 2 partners, and other emerging customers.
So I have an idea for an object, maybe a new way to do the PC or something like that. I do a little bit of the design, and then I send it to you guys, and you create the boards, correct?
Yes, it will be our privilege to do so because we have done it from scratch to the end, and we are very good in system knowledge, system expertise, right selection of the components, interconnects, timing, and the whole 9 yards. And we work with the customer very diligently and very actively, and we are very nimble and flexible. Our name of fame is time to market, lower cost, and great satisfaction for the customer.
Okay. And your boards are already in AT&T UVerse,
yes.
Right?
Yes, we have done 6 generations of modem chips for ADSL2, VDSL2 through 2-wire for UVerse of AT&T.
So even though you might not know that they have this stuff, you actually have your boards in these systems, which is pretty good.
Basically our chips, our silicon solutions. So we did it for them for 2-wire, and 2-wire was selling it exclusively to AT&T in different geographies.
All right. Well, if somebody has a question, wants to have some sort of device built or something like that, how do they get a hold of you?
They can get hold of me. My name is Getty Verma. I'm the VP of Business Development. My cell number is 408-693-4628. Or they can shoot an email to me, getty@commit.com.
Do you have a website at all?
Yes, our website is www.commit.com.
Okay, perfect. Well, thank you very much, Getty, for your time.
Let me introduce to my CEO, Venkat Iyer.
Hi, how you doing? Oh, well, yeah, definitely. So, all right. Well, for Interop, this is Jeffrey Powers. Geekazine at Interop is brought to you by HP Networks. Change the rules of networking to enable the cloud. Check out hp.com for more information about all their great new ideas in flex branding. Geekazine is also brought to you by Citrix and GoToMeeting. You know, if you need to meet with somebody and can't go to where they are, they can't go to where you are, then you should try GoToMeeting. For PC, for Mac, for iPad, you can connect up and have a great online meeting in seconds. To try this, all you have to do is go over to GoToMeeting.com, click the Try It Free Now button, and enter in the code PODCAST, and that will get you a 30-day free trial. That's all from GoToMeeting.com. And finally, we're also brought to you by Telestream and Wirecast. All the live action you'll see with the banners and the switching of cameras, that's all done through my PC through Wirecast. So go over to Telestream, go over to Geekazine.com, click on the Telestream link, and that'll get you there for you to create some great video on your mobile device.